Is my slash lead. So booster, gain 80, tone 50, level 100. Then next is MS drive, gain 100, tube 40, level 103, treble 45, mid 50, bass 56, presence 53, cab 4x12, line out. And last, plate. I use the plate reverb. Pred 9, decay 52, mix 44, color 58, low damp 97, high damp 95, tail off, level 100. Okay. I did a customized patch for like a metal sound, and I've used Revo 1. It's like a maybe rectifier, I'm not sure really. So it's an amp simulation, Revo 1. I put the gain only up to 60. I tried it higher, but it becomes more thinner. It's just pure distortion. So I lower it down to 60. Tube 45, level 100, treble 60, mid 50. I push the bass up to 85. I tried it all the way up to 100, but I think it was too much, so I reduced it to 85. Presence 51, cab for Revo 1, 4x12, line out. Next to this one is the graphic EQ. Now this is where the magic comes from. If you're limited to the sound of your guitar, you need to have a graphic EQ. So I boosted this one, the 160 Hertz. I tried it all the way up, it sounds nice, but because I already boost the bass on the amp sim, which is Revo 1, so I just drop it down to 7. Then the 400 Hertz is 2, 800 Hertz is 1, 3.2 kilohertz is -3, 6.4 kilohertz 2, 12 kilohertz 5, and level 100. If you're going to ask me those ones, the kilohertz versus hertz, I don't really know. I'm more on listening, so I just fiddle with it, keep fiddling with it, and find my own sound. So it's worth experimenting this one, from putting this all the way up or putting it all the way down. Just try with the graphic EQ, you're gonna enjoy that. And last, to make the sound more nicer, especially if you're doing pinch harmonics and lead and all that, I still added the plate reverb, which is almost the same as the slash one. So Pred 9, decay 52, mix 44, color 58, low damp 97, high damp 95, tail off, level 100. That's it, guys. So just keep fiddling with the guitar, either the tone of the guitar, tone knob, and here with your Zoom G1xOn or G1On, just keep discovering things. See you later. Bye.